In 2024, the global cleaning services market is valued at over $415 billion, with forecasted growth reaching $617 billion by 2030, at a remarkable 6% annual growth rate. Increased awareness of hygiene and sanitation, heightened by the COVID-19 pandemic, rapid urbanization and rising disposable incomes, especially in developing markets, expansion of construction and real estate, boosting demand for cleaning services. North America leads with $134 billion in market value, holding 35% of the global contract cleaning share. Asia-Pacific shows the highest growth rate at 7% annually, driven by urbanization in China, India, and Southeast Asia. Europe maintains steady growth at 7%, supported by stringent hygiene regulations and EU directives. Floor care services dominate with over 30% market share, while contract cleaning represents $374 billion. Commercial cleaning outpaces residential, driven by healthcare, hospitality, and office sector demands. Visit our website, www.verifiedmarketresearch.com, connect with us at inquiries@verifiedmarketresearch.com,